You did to him what he would never have done to you. He doesn't want anything from you. He doesn't want any type of friendship. He doesn't want any kind of communication. He doesn't want anything. But he also does not wish you anything bad. He's going to carry on living his life and moving forward. But you cannot change the fact that you did something to him that he would never have done to you. He told you his darkest secrets and you took them and you ran with them. He told you what happened to him before in other relationships. You did exactly the same, if not worse. He's not going to now sit there, have communication with you, try and build a relationship or try and do anything of the means. You hurt him again and again and again to a point that in the end of the relationship, he even stopped communicating, asking for attention or trying to make anything work. You did to him what he would never have done to you.